So today we're going to be making some slime. So I already got with all the excess glue that I have. So I already have some of the glue in here. So we're going to pour the rest in. If I can even get it out. Is there even extra glue in there? Oh yeah, there most definitely is. Oh dear. Okay. So I'm going to use the back of this. Or actually, you know what? I'll be right back. I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna get something. Be right back. And I'm back. So we're gonna use a pencil because pencils pencils are just my thing. Like, I need pencils. I'm just gonna do this to get all the paint off. What paint? Oh, no, this is not paint. Oh. I think someone got activator in this because there was some dried up slime up there. Okay, so this is all the slime we're going to be making. I'm kind of disappointed, but that's okay. So now we're going to add some of this Elmer's glue. Glue, what the heck? Oh my god, I can't speak today. Okay, so we're going to add some of this Elmer's magical liquid, which is literally just activator. So, like, yeah. I don't want to add too much because I don't have that much slime today. And this is the cherry limeade scent, so I should be getting a little scent in there. So I'm just gonna put in a bit right now because it should already start doing some stuff to it. And would you look at that? I'm wrong, so I'm almost out of this, which is why I want to use it so this doesn't end up going to waste, because honestly I feel like I always forget about all this stuff, and if I just forget. Okay, so this is not working. Okay, so I'm probably gonna have to go with one more. Thing is not coming out. My god. We're gonna just put in that much right now. So usually on the third time I do this. So yeah, usually on the third time I do this, I usually go and get some lotion and I'll add it in there. So I'll be right back. I need to get that from my bathroom. So yeah, I also ended up grabbing some soft soap too, just cause, you know. But anyways, I always grab, at this point, I usually grab some lotion. The activator is definitely starting to do its thing. So this lotion is definitely not going to be able to be used again unless I get that part out. where there's glue. So anyways, I'm just gonna plop that in too, because again, I do not feel like do not feel like wasting any product today. I actually don't feel like wasting any product any day, but like especially today. I don't know, I just have those days. Do you guys have those days where you're just like you don't feel like doing anything like always, but then like you have that one day where you don't like doing it like the most, like you don't feel like doing it the most? Cause like that's one of those days with me right now. Honestly, if the lotion messed it up, because sometimes I put in too much lotion and then it messes it up. I honestly I think that's what's happening because this is not working. I might have to go on with my other activator. Yeah. But this one's like crunchy, so this one has like some stuff to it. And you kind of have to like squeeze the bottle for it to come out. Oh, okay, so that should have been enough. Okay, so no, the lotion did not mess it up, which is good because I was panicked at that moment because that was the last of my glue, and if it did not work, I would be doomed. But yeah, it's definitely working now. And yes, this is a Peachy Babies container that my friend ruined my freaking slime. The slime that was in this got ruined because my friend, she left it out on black paint. I had to freaking dye it purple to make it look better. She didn't even put it back in the container. So, and today we just went our own ways. And I'm officially not friends with her anymore. Yay! No, but like actually, yay. And if you see, and you, and my friend, if you see this video, maybe you can learn from me. Okay, so this is definitely working. It still needs a bit more activator, but I'm not gonna like put it in now just cause I feel like it just cause I have the feeling that it just needs some hand kneading for it. Oh my god, and I love the crunchiness of the slime texture though. Oh, amazing. Chef's kiss, I love it. Sorry if I'm like cringy. Sorry if I'm cringy. Like, I don't know. People say I'm cringy. My brother says I'm cringy. Am I cringy? I'm sorry if I am. Oh my god. Activator just got on my table. You know, I'll even put it in my hands. Just that way, like, it activates it, but then, like, again, it just doesn't stick to my hand that much. Because it's, like, actually sticky. I learned this trick from Peachy Babies. I watched their YouTube channels. If you guys are not, by the way, if you guys are not subscribed to Peachy Babies, you have to subscribe to them. I'm not even joking. They have the best slimes. Although they do kind of mess up my orders all the time. But anyways, we're not going to talk about that, right? Yeah, we're not going to talk about that. So anyways. And also, the reason why I got the soft soap. Oh my god, you are not getting on my carpet today. And like the reason why I got the soft soap is that sometimes when I do stuff like this, like without like I don't know, like sometimes when it's like sometimes when I do small batches like this, I put in too much activator and then gets over activated, and then it just gets so sticky that I add in some soft soap. But even though this isn't over activated, I'm still gonna add in a teeny bit because it's starting. I feel like it's starting to get a little bit over activated because of the activator that I put on my hand. Just gonna add in a bit. Oh, and yes, you can see it's starting to rip. But soft soap is also technically my scent thing because this basically just melts it down, and I love the scent of it. So I don't know, is anyone else obsessed with soft soap, like the scent? Oh, and yeah, you see it's like melting a bit, and you just mix it in, and then it gets like really sticky. It will get sticky, definitely, but you need to just trust the process here. And then again, I don't want to over activate it, so I am just gonna like use some of the activator on because like the activator spilled a little bit on my table, so I'm just gonna use what's on it. Oh yeah, and this is some good slime here. Like this is some really good slime here. And also, I'm gonna go find some paint, and I will be right back. BRB. Sorry that took so long. I'm gonna use this really cute purple, or amethyst if you guys want to call it. I'm just gonna squirt some out there. And I don't want it to be like too dark, kind of. So I'm gonna take my pencil. I'm just gonna like do a little dab in there, just like that. And then I'm just gonna like, you can see, just like dab it in the middle there. And then that's all the purple we're gonna do. And then I don't wanna like mix in all of it. Cause look at that. That is some good purple there. You see, this is what I love. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but this purple is perfect. I mean, you know, oh my god. Wow. It could use a little bit more though, so I'm just gonna dab that right in. And I'm gonna like go with some like swirls in here, over here. Kind of like that. And then just like do a little flower. And oh my god, that looks so freaking good. We're gonna do a bit more though, because it's not really showing that much. It's really, really light purple. So, yeah, you know, I think we got it. I think, oh my god, and the scent is just amazing too. Oh, and of course, it's getting activated again. You see, this is why you always need a side of liquid soap. It has to be liquid soap. It doesn't matter what brand it is. It has to be liquid soap if you want it to be, if you want it to be as like a glycerin kind of as your deactivator. You can also put it in hot water, but like that takes forever to heat up at my place. Over here, like I don't know why, but like hot water in the sink, just in the sink takes forever. Oh my god, this is getting so deactivated. Yeah, so again, I'm just gonna like use what's on my table because again, it's one of those days I really don't want to, do this. So like, yeah. Okay, so now we're just trying to get all of it off of my hands. Use a bit more. My desk is a mess now. So now we're just kind of cleaning the container, but I'm really only cleaning what I can get. So like, but honestly, look at this purple. It slays. Oh, and by the way, the girl that was in my videos, yeah, that was the girl who, my other videos, yeah, that was the girl who left my slime out. My favorite Peachy Baby slime out. Not just any slime. My favorite Peachy Babies slime. Really just my favorite slime out of all the slimes that I have. Yeah, no, it wasn't just some ordinary slime like this. It was a slime that was my favorite. But honestly, I'm kind of over it now. But like, still, there's other things that he's done. But anyways, I'm kind of over it now just because like, I always end up mixing my slimes and then it just gets ruined and then I like, throw it away. But like, honestly, you still can't leave slime out. So, yeah. What? Okay. Sorry, that was my dad. I'm gonna go eat dinner. I have to go eat dinner. So, yeah. Love you, bye!